Right, so here's my newish car, 2-year-old. It's a fleet car used by a company. It's a high mileage, really quite cheap for the model. It's a new model Ford Focus, 120 brake horsepower, 1.5 diesel, turbo diesel injection motor. Some things I like about it, looks like an Aston Martin. Kind of all made them look a bit like an Aston Martin, the latest Fords. Quite wide tyres here. And looking at the wear on the tyre, nice and even wear. Other things I like, go underneath. The jacking point is 12 inches away, about here, so just here. Just here. I'll shine my light on it. Here we go, we've got 3 bolts, lower control arm. Looks like the old Ford Mondeo one I use. Pretty, it's a box shape, solidly built all the way around box, so it's sturdy. Not as good as the Honda's one. Honda was top notch, thicker. What I mean by not as good, it was Honda one's thicker, wasn't it? It was taller, remember? So nice. I'll have a detail underneath look in the future. I'm gonna ramp it up. Some of the things I don't like about this car, but it's only not because it's the design. Lots of scuff around the wheels, but we know how to fix that. Watch one of my other videos. Other things I do like, poking around areas like this, really solid plastic. Here it feels really solid. If you're looking for a new car, these areas here would be a telltale sign, not cracks in it. That's had some sort of horrible crash. Well, hard enough to crack the plastic. I've had a proper detailed look at it. More scuff marks. Don't like them brakes here with them things on it. I don't like them. They're quite difficult to put on. But you need like those toothpick looking curly tools. No, I mean they're not like toothpicks, but like dental picks. Look like dental picks. Curl around. Those are the only ones you need them to take them on and off. Not sure why it's got like a. Is that paint or dirt? It's dirt. If it's dirt, it's okay. It's been running through sort of sand or something, sandy stuff. So both sides, even wear. Good. Notice condensation here. And now the reason why is there's a crack in the glass right here. See it? So I'm going to lacquer that, and that's the only way I can think of initially to fix that. I'm going to check if the indicators work. If not, I'll change it. Oh, another thing I really don't like, fortunately, is because it's not the Titanium X, not retractable from the inside of the car. It's a hand retracted. Don't like that, but never mind. It was a good deal anyway. The thing I really didn't like, what could have been a deal breaker, is drum brakes. So my first choice was the 308, but that was sold. 308 station wagon, the new one. So low emission. I think it's something like 88 or 83 or something like that, grams per 100 kilometres something. This one's 99. It's a Euro 6 comparable. Drum brakes, don't like those. They're difficult to fix, like disc brakes. They've got clothy stuff, like in the Civic. Clothy stuff. I don't know why they use clothy stuff. So it'll be a reach hand job. Proper screws though here. Proper screws. No plastic pluggy things. I'm not sure about them things. They're you know, if you can see them, put like those clips. Ooh, I don't like them. Another part. So remember, this is an estate. Even on the rear side, this is a nice touch. And they've got heated glass here as well. Auto fueling, so you need a key nearby to open this, I think, so you can't go wrong with the wrong fuel. It's got like a new help you to stop crashing kind of thing. There's cameras right there, front rear view mirror, so at the front these cameras analyse what's going on at the front. Clear screen, still Ford's the only one with the clear screen. Lines run in there, so you heat it during winter. Alright, so notice here, no condensation, no crack in the glass. I wish people would take more notice. They crack the glass, fix it, and leave it. You know what I'm saying? Right, okay, so jobs need doing is take the wheels off, fix the chaffs in the wheels, and the wheel curb rash, check the drum brakes. So there'll be a video on drum brakes alone. Check the front brakes, repair that side indicator, make sure it's lighting. I'm not sure what this is. It moves. Both sides are meant to be like, maybe, I'm not sure. I have to think about that. Maybe it's where the filter is, but it doesn't make sense why it would move around like that, no clip. Alright, overall there's no stone chips, another thing I like about it. Right, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. So generally we got the Ford structure, solid structure, suspension, which is good, and nice shape, new shape. Drum brakes, mirrors non-retractable, not so good. Anyway, next video hopefully I'll do the interior, and then I'll probably do another one on just the computer system alone. And of course my favourite, the engine, analysis of the engine. Alright, all to come. Thanks for watching.